So hello guys, basically we are going to install Termux. Yeah, I think you guys already know how you can install Termux. Basically there are a lot of the videos on YouTube how we can install the Termux, but after installing the Termux, the most of the people are facing the error problem or some kind of error. So the reason is they are installing the Termux from Play Store. So please do not install the Termux from Play Store. Now our first step is downloading the Termux. So for that, go to the browser and type Termux. And little bit down you can see Termux F Droid. Just click this, and I will give the website link also. You can check out from description also. Go and download from there. And one thing, just you have to download the Termux from same website. Now just scroll down. There you can see download APK. You have to download same APK. Just download it. Just download it and do install and open it. Now just open it. And this is my Termux. Now here is the most important part. So you need to do some configuration. So just follow this step. So you need to install some package. So first there is no any file, just you can check it, but you need to do update also. Okay, just first you need to do update. So just for that type pkg update. And type Y for continue. And again type for continue. And again type Y for continue. Now you need to do upgrade. So for that type pkg upgrade. Now time to install Git. So for that type pkg install git. Now install wget. So for that type pkg install wget. And type Y for do continue. And just that's all. Just do clear and just type exit, and you can do exit by typing exit exit. So yes, that's all. This is my Termux, you can see. So I hope this video will help you. So yes, you can see you can install any kind of file without any kind of error. So I just for just test, so I'm going to install a Figlet. So just type apt install Figlet for that. And that's all. You can install any kind of file on Termux. So I hope this video will help you. So guys, this much for today. We will meet in next episode. Till then, stay safe.